Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. So first up, what you can check is your file storage settings. So just ensure that Telegram has the necessary permissions to access your device's storage. You can check this by heading to your device's settings, finding the Telegram app, and checking the permission section. Next, you can also try saving to gallery. So just open the chat with the media file, tap on the three dots at the top of the media, and then select Save to Gallery. Next, you can also make sure you have the latest version of Telegram installed. Sometimes updates fix bugs that might be causing the issue. It's also worth ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes files may not download properly due to network issues. You can also try restarting your device, as a simple restart can sometimes resolve issues with file visibility. And then finally, you can try re-downloading the file, as sometimes the download might not complete properly, causing you to encounter file issues. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.